Welcome to RS Components and our video series showing you a selection of products from our Legionella temperature monitoring range. In this video we're going to take a look at product code 2195350. That's the RS Pro Compact 3-part Legionella temperature monitoring kit. This kit comprises of a digital handheld thermometer, product code 2048413 with its integral 1 and 2 minute timers, a crossed ribbon K-type thermocouple dual probe, and a hard-wearing leatherette holster. The single input thermocouple thermometer has a measurement range of -200 to 1372 degrees C with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 degrees C. It's manufactured to IP67. The meaning of that rating is displayed on your screen now. But it also comes with a pre-fitted rubber boot as standard for extra protection against damage, for instance when in storage or in transit. The dual probe has a stem length of 115mm, with the stem tip being 12mm in diameter. The crossed ribbon thermocouple sensor has been sealed with a silicone rubber compound to ensure the probe is fully waterproof and able to be used for both surface and immersion readings. This probe is fitted with a 2-meter curly polyurethane cable with a moulded connector. The last piece of this compact kit is the leatherette holster. It comes complete with a belt clip. You simply insert the thermometer into the holster and then slide the probe under the two straps. Should you prefer not to utilise the belt clip, this can be easily removed by squeezing either side of the clip and sliding the attachment free. Using the kit. To take a surface temperature reading, plug your probe in and, applying light pressure, press the sensor band against the area to be tested. The response time of this probe is approximately 3 seconds. When performing water or immersion temperature tests, the timer buttons on the handheld's keypad come into their own. The one timer button is for the 1-minute hot water countdown. Press this and the display will show H1.00 and will automatically start counting down. Press that button again and the timer will disappear. The 2 timer button is for the 2-minute cold water countdown. Press this and the display will show C2.00 and again the automatic countdown will start. Press once more and the timer will disappear. Well, that concludes our look at the RS Pro Compact 3-part Legionella temperature monitoring kit. That's product code 2195350. I hope this video has been helpful and thank you for watching.